In this video, I'll show you how you can redeem a Roblox code on Roblox. Now, this is super simple, guys, so let's just get straight into it. First, you're gonna go to roblox.com. Once you're on this website, here in the top right corner, you can see your settings, a bell icon, and your Robux. What you need to do is press on the Robux, and at the bottom, you will see redeem Roblox codes. Now, once you're in here, you can see there's a field right here where you can type in your code. So let's just say you type in your code and you simply press redeem. Now, obviously this is not a real code, it's just an example, but once you press redeem, you will now have redeemed the code and you will get your stuff. That's basically how you can do it on Roblox. Guys, it's super simple and I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.